Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a quiz content with Canva. So in here, I'm going to show you the shortcut if you want to create a quiz content for your social media, for example, Instagram, for your engagement with your followers. So here, you just need to use the Canva template. So click on the search column at the top and then find or use this keyword quiz. So you can use this quiz template for your Instagram story or your Instagram post. So let's see, I'm going to use for the story one. Okay, so I'm going to just click on the template. So you can just select the template, but you can change, for example, you can change the question in here. Oops. If you want, you can just double click. Okay, for example, like this, you can just change the question like that. You can also change the like the whole theme color by clicking on the background. For example, if you want to change it, you can click on color at the bottom, then change the color to the color of your brand, for example, like this. Okay, when you're done, you can just click on this arrow down at the top to download the quiz. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.